Good morning friends and welcome to my channel Prodbug, and this particular chapter will going to be the last chapter in the series of Kotlin, and if something comes new I will definitely go and create some more topics, but as of now I am done with my all the topics. There is the last topic which we are going to discuss in this particular chapter. Before that I would like to go to my channel Prodbug, and where I have added a lot of content, so I think it will be helpful for you if you have not already know those topic, and if you want to some brush up things. So this is one of the good series like JUnit 5. If you want to, because right now all the unit test cases are written in JUnit 5, so you can, even if you are from QA or developer, you both type of you can go and check out the different. There are a lot of features in JUnit 5, so I have covered each and every topic in JUnit 5. Apart from that, wiremock very beneficial nowadays. Everyone is in the case, especially in case of API automation, wiremock is a must, right? And other than topic, there are some advanced topic in the API automation. Okay, so I have a series on API automation. This is on rest assured, so this is the basic series on rest assured where I have explained all the aspects of rest assured. But if you want to learn the API automation, so you should know rest assured for sure, there is no doubt, but there are a lot of advanced topics in case of API automation which you should know, like serialization, deserialization, reading from the web URL, and there are a lot of things basically I have covered in this particular series, API automation advanced topic series. And one of the important topic is Lombok. If you are a developer or QA, so you should know, because Lombok is very much important library nowadays in case of Java. So a lot of boilerplate code has been removed. So I have seen in my previous 2-3 objects people are using Lombok now in every Java project, so you should definitely, I will highly recommend this particular chapter to you. And then there are graph walker, another approach. So it's based on the model based testing. And then YAML, definitely useful. You must have seen a lot of YAMLs in your project. And WinApp driver, so this is a sponsor by the Microsoft, and so you can automate the window application, let's say calculator, okay, so which is specific to Windows. So your Selenium cannot automate all those things, so but we have a WinApp driver. So this is based on the Selenium, but has been developed by the Microsoft. So this is another thing if you are into that kind of domains, and there are a few mobile testing and the rest of the topic you can go through. Okay, so let's go quickly to the Kotlin series. So before finishing up, so I would like to see what we have covered. Like this is the index, and we have covered all these topics which I have created for you guys, and now we have almost on the last topic. So this is called backtick, escape character. So this is nothing but it's a escape character. Like in Java, what we use always 2 backslash, right? So this is the same thing, but here we are not going to use a backslash, we are going to use the backtick. So what is backtick? I will show you. This icon is called the backtick. Okay, and where is this present? So this is the same key which is showing the tilde. So just find and see the tilde in your keyboard, and below the tilde you will find this thing. Okay, so this is the backtick, and we need to use to escape the character. Okay, so in is a reserved keyword in Kotlin, and hence this is a reserved key, so that's why we have to use backtick, so that it will not be treated as a in case of for loop you must have seen that, or in some of the chapter we have used the in keyword. So I don't know in which list or somewhere we have used the in keyword, so that's why it's a reserved keyword. Like this, see, this is the for loop, right? So I in nums, so basically in the nums we are checking and we are printing out. So right, so 9 in is a reserved keyword, so Kotlin may consider this in as a for loop in, but we are saying no, this is not that in, so this is system.in, so that's why we are using the backtick. Okay, so this is the Java style. You know that we need to so this program is basically to accept some input from the user, and then after that do some processing. So to accept any number from the user, we are using the scanner class, you know that, and this is a system.in. So this will be the variable, scanner variable, and scanner.nextInt. So whenever you find some integer, so it will be saved here and you can print out it. Yeah, simple, right? So but the better option than this is the second one, is read line. Okay, so why this is better? Because you can read the string and integer both, anything can be read, but in case of here only integer can be taken as a input. So always second is better. So let me run and then we can see. Here we are running. So this is the first one. Let's enter some number 23, enter. Okay, this is the second, enter any string. Let's say number 23, number 30, and enter. So here you can see the 23 we have input, and user input 1 is 23 has been printed. User input 1 and 23 has been printed here, and here we have taken number 30 and number 30 has been printed here. So this read line can be used in case of only integer or only string, and for both, but this can only be used in case of integer. Let me run again and let's use some number rather than number. Okay, I am entering here some string. So see, some exception is coming, right? Because this is expecting some int, next int, but I have given here some string, so the code has been break, right? So that's why second option is always preferred option if you have to take some input from the users. So with this, I hope you learned something at least from my channel, and I think the way of teaching you are able to understand, but I always recommend that you always keep practicing side by side, because only then you can really learn something. Otherwise, just by watching the videos, I think it's not a good style, and you can only understand 10-20% of the part. But if you practice, I think you can really understand more than 80% of any topic. So with this, I am closing this particular series, and I hope you guys are learning, and just spread the knowledge. Whatever you are learning, just spread with your colleagues or over the internet or anything. So I hope till that point, let's be safe and be healthy, and stay home. Till then, thank you. Bye bye.